Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video watermark like an AE1. So add in like a default text on top of like a green screen. I'm just going to zoom it in by a lot and place it like that, and I'm just going to type in the word watermark. I'm also going to select like a bold font here. Let's see. Let's use this one, why not? And I'm also going to add in a shadow. I'm going to turn off the blurriness by a lot, and I'm going to also adjust the distance maybe and adjust the angle a little bit. Select the three lines, export still frame, and select import to project here, and then export it. And then I am going to select this video, and I'm just going to add the watermark on top till the end of the video. Copy and paste your video, select the watermark, go to cutout and select chroma key and select the white color first. Adjust the strength, adjust the shadow, and then you are going to go to the video and you're going to go to adjustments and you're going to adjust the saturation a little bit, adjust the brightness and the contrast as well. And I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller, so like place it where you want it right now. For instance, here. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and I'm just going to mask it so only the watermark is shown. Like that. Select the watermark again, go to cutout, select chroma key, and you're just going to delete the green bit of the video. Adjust the strength here and add in the shadow. And I'm going to mask it a little bit better than this. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.